Illinois, Massac County, Illinois, northeastern Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 6:15 p.m. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Pulaski County, Illinois, Massac 60 miles per hour, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Center, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects on expected hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Metropolis, Lake Center, New Columbia, and Johnson. This includes Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 24 and 36. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until east central Johnson counties in Kentucky, Ballard, and McCracken.